Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your HR account on My Sainsburys. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar type in My Sainsburys HR login and start your search. And as the search result, you can see the first option, Sainsburys Colleague Hub. Click on this link. It will redirect you to the HR login portal, and here it says pick an account. You can either use any of your account or click here use another account and enter your email address over here and click on the next button. You will be redirected into the password section. Over there, enter your password and click on the login button. You should be able to log in into your Sainsburys HR account. And in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can click here can't access your account to reset it. So that's how you guys can log in into your My Sainsburys HR account. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.